If you're looking for an affordable but still powerful motherboard for your Ryzen processor, stick around. Today we'll take a look at a model that brings a lot of features from higher price ranges without breaking your budget. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether this board is the right fit for your next build. Let's start with the design. The board doesn't just look high quality, it also feels that way. The black PCB with silver accents and RGB connectors makes quite an impression, perfect for windowed cases with lighting. In terms of performance, you're getting a lot of value here. It supports Ryzen processors from the 3rd, 4th, and even 5th generation, including CPUs like the Ryzen 7580X or the Ryzen 9590X. That makes this board a pretty future-proof choice. For memory, you've got room for up to 128 gigabytes DDR4 and up to 4733 megahertz if you overclock. That's more than enough for most gaming and creator setups. When it comes to storage, you get one fast M.2 slot and 4 SATA ports. Sure, a second M.2 would have been nice, but at this price point, you have to compromise somewhere. A real highlight is the VRM cooling design. Even under heavy CPU load, the board stays stable, a big plus. In testing with a Ryzen 9, there were no thermal issues at all. For audio, you get the Realtek ALC1200 chip with SPDIF output, more than enough for high-quality headphones or a 7.1 setup. Networking is handled by solid gigabit LAN. Wi-Fi is missing, but you can easily add it with a USB stick or a PCIe card. There are plenty of ports: USB 3.2, HDMI 2.1 with 4K support, DVI-D for older monitors, and of course enough fan headers to keep your case cool. For RGB enthusiasts, there are also 2 ARGB headers, controlled via GIGABYTE's own RGB Fusion software. Of course, there are a few limitations. PCIe 4.0 isn't supported, which matters for high-end graphics cards and ultra-fast SSDs, but in practice, most users won't notice. And if your main goal is gaming or productivity, it's more than sufficient. If you want a solid motherboard that doesn't experiment too much, but still keeps up with modern Ryzen CPUs, this board gives you a lot for the money. If you're curious now, definitely check the links in the video description. That's where you'll find the best prices and availability. So what's good about the board and what isn't? Pros: excellent price to performance ratio, stable operation even with high-end CPUs, good feature set with RGB, audio, and LAN, future-proof with Ryzen 5000 support. Cons: no PCIe 4.0, no built-in Wi-Fi, only one M.2 slot. Some users report boot issues. If you're looking for a budget motherboard that still gives you modern features and solid performance, this model is definitely worth a look, especially for gaming setups with Ryzen 3000 or 5000 CPUs. It's a reliable choice. Don't forget, you'll find the best deals in the description below. And if this video helped you, leave a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe.